And continuing our coverage now of a case nearly a decade in the making, the murder trial of Donthe Lucas, the Pueblo man accused of murdering his ex-girlfriend, 21-year-old Kelsie Schelling. Our Colette Bordelon following the trial for us. She joins us. And today in court, Colette, you watched lots of surveillance video. Tell us more about the connection here to the case.
That's right, Rob. What we saw was Schelling's car being dropped off at a Walmart parking lot on February 5th, then picked up a day later. Now, prosecutors say that Lucas would admit to doing that 4 years after the fact. Schelling was never seen on that video. Take a look. Here's some of that footage we saw today in the courtroom. We also saw 2 interviews with Lucas, with the lead detective from Pueblo police. He says the timeline Lucas gave them just didn't match up at all with the footage. Cell phone evidence, also a massive chunk of the prosecution's argument. Today, we heard from a witness who grew up with Lucas and texted him only days after Schelling disappeared. Lucas clearly looking for sexual favors, but she stopped messaging him after finding out about Schelling's disappearance. Now, here's what's really strange. The witness got a call early in the morning on February 5th from a number she didn't recognize, so she didn't answer. Detectives would later tell her that number was from Schelling's phone. However, this witness had never met Schelling and had no reason to believe the two would have each other's numbers. The detective from Pueblo was still on the stand at the end of the day. We should pick back up with him tomorrow, talking about more text messages. And on Wednesday, prosecutors had said Lucas's mom, Sarah Lucas, would be taking the stand tomorrow. That would be Friday. Now, both she and her son's DNA was found in Schelling's car. I'll be here tomorrow and we'll have a full recap of my notes from today on my Facebook later tonight. Always watching out for you, Pueblo. Colette Bordelon, News 5.